Hi, it's Liz from Sew4Home, and I want to talk about one of the easiest projects that you can do, even if you are brand new to sewing, and that is to make your own beautiful cloth napkins. Now, we originally worked with our designs to highlight some of the incredible features on the Janome MC1000. It is a sewing and embroidery model, and seriously is one of the most flexible, affordable machines we've ever worked with or come across in the sewing and embroidery category. Now, we took your basic beautiful cloth napkin, and then we used a different technique on each of our 3 samples to give you a little inspiration and some ideas so that you can take the basics and then you can kick things up a notch. Our first napkin has a monogram, but not a standard monogram. The machine has several single-letter alphabets that you can choose from. We picked a beautiful W and added some accent elements, combining them all on the touchscreen, very easy to do, and stitched it out in a beautiful gold metallic. And this is a classic double-turn narrow hem with a clean diagonal point corner. This napkin features several fun techniques. We used a built-in design that we then mirrored and duplicated to design this garland in the corner. And then the hem is a true mitered hem that we accented with a classic hemstitch all the way around. For this napkin, we switched to decorative stitching and lettering. And we're going to show you how to mark and measure the first initial cut that you do of the linen. And then you'll do the decorative stitching first, leaving a space to then go back and add the words that you want all the way around the napkin. We used gather, which seems like an appropriate word to use for a festive gathering around your tabletop. The hem on this one is also a traditional mitered hem, and you can see as I pull it back, it does a beautiful job of concealing the back of the decorative stitching and lettering. So 3 fun ideas to try, and don't forget to test, to experiment, to have fun before you start on the final project. We do that all the time to pick our fonts, to pick our decorative stitches and designs, to pick our stitch selections. It makes all the difference in your finished project. So some great inspiration, hopefully a little bit of inspiration to stop by your Janome dealer and try out the new Memory Craft 1000 for yourself. Thanks for listening, and happy sewing.